In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Vwap to NinjaTrader 8. By the end, you'll have the volume-weighted average price plotted directly on your chart, ready to guide your intraday decisions. Vwap is a powerful reference line that blends price and volume, helping you gauge where the bulk of trading activity has occurred during a session. It's especially useful for identifying fair value areas, potential support and resistance, and overall trade location. First, start by downloading a Vwap indicator file. This usually comes as a zip package from a reputable NinjaTrader community repository or a trusted vendor. Make sure the file is specifically designed for NinjaTrader 8, as versions for earlier platforms won't import correctly. Save the zip somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated indicators folder. There's no need to extract it. NinjaTrader reads the zip directly during import. With the file ready, open NinjaTrader and head to the top menu. Click Tools, then Import, and choose NinjaScript add-on. This is the built-in importer for custom indicators. When the file picker opens, navigate to the vwap.zip you just saved, select it, and confirm. NinjaTrader will process the package, check it, and notify you when the import completes. If you see a confirmation message, you're on the right track. If the platform asks you to restart to finish the installation, go ahead and do that next. If you're prompted to restart, take a moment to save any work or screenshots you want to keep, then close and reopen NinjaTrader. The restart ensures all the files are registered and ready to load on your charts. Once NinjaTrader is back up, open a chart for the instrument you want to analyze. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Indicators. In the Indicators window, look through the list on the left for your new Vwap indicator. It may be named simply Vwap, or include the developer's name. Click it to highlight, then click Add so it moves to the Applied section on the right. Here you can review and adjust settings like session anchoring, line colors, and band options if the indicator offers them. When you're satisfied, click OK. You should now see Vwap plotted on your chart. Hovering your cursor over the line will usually reveal exact values for the current bar. If the plot looks off, double-check the instrument's session template or try different visual settings for clarity. That's it. Your Vwap is installed, added, and ready to use in NinjaTrader 8.